Hi Ria. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports. What about you?
I enjoy playing cricket. It's my favorite game.
Oh, nice. I usually play badminton with my friends.
Why do you like badminton?
Because it's easy to play and keeps me active.
That's true. Cricket is fun too. I like batting the most.
Do you watch cricket matches on TV?
Yes, I watch almost every match.
I think team sports are exciting. You play together and support each other.
Yes, teamwork is important. Cricket is a team sport.
Badminton is usually played one-on-one, but doubles are fun too.
Do you prefer playing alone or with a partner?
With a partner. It feels more enjoyable.
Sports are good for health. They make us strong and fit.
Yes, and they also reduce stress.
I play cricket every weekend. It keeps me active.
I play badminton 3 times a week. It's my exercise routine.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch tennis and football.
Who is your favorite player?
I like Serena Williams in tennis. She is amazing.
I admire Virat Kohli in cricket. He is a great batsman.
Did you learn cricket from a coach?
No, I learned from my friends.
That's cool. I learned badminton in school.
Sports are easy to learn if you practice regularly.
Yes, practice makes us better. In school, I always joined the sports day.
Oh, me too. I ran in the 100-meter race.
Did you win?
Yes, once. But most of the time, I just enjoyed running.
That's the best part, having fun, not just winning.
Do you watch the Olympics?
Yes, I love watching athletes from different countries.
I like track and field events. They are exciting.
I enjoy gymnastics. The athletes are so talented.
Sports bring the world together.
What equipment do you need for cricket?
A bat, a ball, and stumps.
For badminton, we need rackets and a shuttlecock.
Do you play indoors or outdoors?
Mostly indoors, but sometimes outdoors too.
Every sport has rules.
Yes, rules make the game fair.
In cricket, each team has 11 players.
In badminton, you must hit the shuttle over the net.
Following rules makes the game enjoyable.
Sports help us make friends.
Yes, I met many friends through cricket.
I also made friends in badminton club.
Playing together builds trust and teamwork.
That's why I love sports.
When I was a child, I wanted to be a cricketer.
Really? I dreamed of becoming a badminton champion.
Even if we are not professionals, we can still enjoy playing.
Yes, dreams inspire us to try harder.
Hey, shall we play badminton this weekend?
Sure. That will be fun.
And next time, I'll invite you to play cricket with my team.
Great idea. I would love to try.
So today we talked about sports, health, friendship, and dreams.
Yes, sports are fun, healthy, and inspiring.
Let's keep playing and learning together.
Absolutely.